What's going on, guys? This is John with MTC. Welcome back to my channel, and to the new viewers out there, of course, welcome. And guys, as much as we like to think that we don't dress for anybody else and we only put on things that we like and we like to see ourselves in, you know, deep inside, even if it's the smallest part of us, we know we dress to impress the ladies. Am I right? Well, in today's video, allow me to be that older brother figure for you guys, somebody who looks out after you and gives you the tips that you need to hear in life. Because I did my research, gathered all the information, and got a lot of women's opinions on what are some mistakes that we make as men that make us unattractive to them. And if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you know I recently put up a question poll asking that question to all the ladies, and we got a ton of responses. You guys wouldn't believe it. So there's a good amount of things on this list, but I did pick the top 3 because I didn't want to take too much of your time, because it would have been like a 20-minute video. Trust me, I've tried it. So top 3 things, the top 3 that was like frequently repeated throughout the entire list, so you know they're important, something that we got to avoid. So if that sounds interesting, without further ado, we're gonna dive into it with the first thing. So the very first style mistake that we are going to tackle today that us men make that is unattractive to women is actually 2 things. It's too many colors in one outfit and one colored outfit. Now, with too many colors in one outfit, I 100% agree. This is a really busy look, and it's very hard to pull off if you can at all. And it just confuses the eyes and doesn't know where to go, and that's something you do want to avoid. And you want to keep everything pretty much simple and minimal when you're color coordinating and styling different type of colors. Now, if there is a color that you want to style and you want to wear, I would say surround it with your neutral colors. So utilize your neutral colors, your white, your gray, your navy, and your black. You can never go wrong with those colors, because you rarely have to worry about how well it goes together, because they all work together really well, and it supports other colors perfectly fine too. Say like you want to wear like a bright yellow t-shirt, you can support that with either a navy like chinos or black jeans, and it will look perfectly fine. So utilize your neutral colors, and that's your key. Now, when it comes to an entire outfit being one color, I do have mixed feeling about this, because as you guys know, I really do like putting on my black Nike tracksuit, and I think the tracksuit trend has been hot for a reason, and I personally really like that look. I think it's clean, it's very cozy, it's comfortable, and it just looks really nice. And I know a lot of people who are into fashion and different fashion influencers, they will mess around with the tonal look, but that's a little bit different because they're taking different shades of the same color and kind of working that through the outfit, when I think this person is referring to when the entire outfit is like the exact same color. And generally speaking, I would say stay away from it, just because I can see why it would come off that way. It could kind of be seen as boring because it lacks details. It could kind of also send a message that you don't know how to style and color coordinate. Not saying that you don't, but I can see why it could be perceived that way by women and kind of come off as unattractive. So if you can, I would say avoid it, but tracksuit trend, I say 100% go for that. Now, jumping into the second style mistake that us men make that is unattractive to women is ill-fitting suits. Guys, this one is pretty important in my opinion, because suits are something that us men wear when we want to feel at our best, when we want to look our best, and when we just want to leave the best impression. But when women say that this is somewhere we can mess up and potentially come off unattractive, we have to do something about this. So I'm going to give you guys a quick checklist, something that you can run through to make sure you have a well-fitting suit. Now, when it comes to the jacket, there's 4 different areas that you want to pay attention to: the shoulder, the jacket length, the sleeve length, and also the midsection. I'm not going to break these down in detail to kind of show you guys how it's supposed to fit. Maybe that could be a separate video. And when it comes to the pant, it's 3 different areas: the waist, the taperedness of the pant, and also the length of the pant. So making sure you have all of those fitting the way it's supposed to, you can ensure that you have a well-fitting suit, because suits they look the best when it enhances your physique, and that's what it's supposed to do, and that's why it comes off so attractive when guys wear it. But when you're either drowning in your suit or when you look like a sausage in your suit, it does not enhance your physique, and that's where we can mess up and potentially come off unattractive. Now, I did want to throw in a bonus one in here, because one of the responses that we got fit really well into this category, and it's wearing white or black athletic socks with formal wear. And guys, I see this almost every dressier event that I go to, and guys, white socks 99% of the times will not work with formal wear because it really breaks up that whole seamless line of a suit, and it sticks out like a sore thumb, and you can take people's eyes off of your suit and have them pay attention to the white socks peeking out of your navy suit. And guys, you can get that previous tip of like fit of a suit perfectly down and perfectly well, but if you're wearing white socks with your shoes, that's going to completely defeat the purpose of everything. Now, athletic socks also have padding in them just because it's designed for people to run in them, exercise in them, so it's a little bit thicker. That contrasts everything there is to be about a suit. A suit is slim, it's minimal, it's fine, like there's nothing very thick and chunky about it like those athletic socks. So having it peek out of your leather shoes, it's just not a good look. So go with the thinner socks that are meant to be worn in formal wear. Last but not least, the third style mistake that us men make that is unattractive to women is puddle pants and saggy pants. Guys, when it comes to puddle pants, it's when the length is too long and it's too baggy and it bunches up around the shoes and it kind of eats it up. And I think this completely defeats the purpose of us investing into nice shoes, because as we've talked about before, shoes, that's the foundation of any outfit. That's where everything starts. And with a lot of women I know, that's the first thing that they notice when they meet a guy is their shoes. So for us to have something that's super baggy and kind of long and have that eat it up, it just doesn't make sense, and it's not a good look, and it's so messy. Like when guys drag like part of their jeans and it's kind of tearing and has holes in it, it's the epitome of a messy look. Now when it comes to saggy pants, this is actually something that could lead to the puddle pants issue, because a lot of the guys don't wear the pants where it's supposed to be worn, around the hips. And this also looks very messy. It doesn't look put together at all, and this could actually come off very childish and immature, and this is a message that could be perceived by the women who are looking at it. And guys, when you're sagging your pants, like, the first thing that I get reminded of is the show Ed, Edd n Eddy. This is what you look like when you sag your pants, like that long torso and short little legs. It throws off the proportion of your body. It does not look good at all, as you can see from this picture. And now, for those of you guys who are watching and don't know what Ed, Edd n Eddy is, she's too young for you, man.
If she got a basket on her bicycle, she's too young for you, man. If she still has the parental controls on her TV in her bedroom, she's too young for you, bro.
And that's going to wrap up the video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful, and if you did, let me know down below, and by clicking that thumbs up button, it does go a long way. And guys, there were so many responses that I did not get to, and I apologize if I did not get to yours. And if you guys want, I'm down to make a part 2, so let me know down in the comment section, should I make a part 2 for this video? And guys, while you're down there, definitely click that subscribe button. And as you guys know, I'm running a giveaway, and that's announced in my previous video. I'll link that video down below as well, so check that out, enter into the giveaway if you haven't already. And lastly, if you're not following me over on Instagram at MTCMVMT, definitely make sure you do that. And with that said, if you guys watched this video all the way till the last bit, as I always say, I love each and every single one of you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.